Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on PlayStation 4. First, make sure your PlayStation 4 system software is fully updated for best compatibility. You will also need to confirm you have enough storage, usually more than 100 gigabytes, available on your console. Finally, obtain the game either by purchasing it digitally from the PlayStation Store or by getting a physical disc. Once you have the game, insert the disc or begin the digital download from your PlayStation library. The installation process can take some time, potentially several hours, depending on your internet connection speed and the game's size. After the initial installation, be sure to download and apply any available game updates or patches to ensure you have the most stable and feature-rich experience. Next, you will need to create or log into your Activision account to unlock all online features and track your progress. Take some time to customize your in-game settings, such as controller sensitivity, graphical options, and audio levels, to suit your personal playstyle. It is also a good idea to complete any available tutorials or training missions to get comfortable with the game's controls and mechanics. Now you are ready to dive into the action. Choose your desired game mode, whether it is the immersive campaign, competitive multiplayer, or cooperative zombies. Join a match or start a new mission to begin your adventure. Remember to communicate effectively with your teammates in online modes and adapt your strategies to achieve victory across the diverse gameplay experiences offered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.